Bilimora Bullet Train Station is located just 6 kilometers from Western Railway's Bilimora Station in the vibrant Gandevi Taluka in Gujarat. It stands as a symbol of modern engineering and thoughtful design. Construction is progressing at a steady pace. Track works have commenced at the platform level. The station's structural steel erection has been successfully completed. With the roof sheeting work in progress, the station is beginning to take its final shape. The escalators are being installed at the station. Each step forward brings us closer to transforming how India travels, making journeys faster, safer, and more comfortable.